Do you need to clean up your inbox? I can show you how coming up. To set up filters in Gmail, you need to be logged on to the desktop site. Filters cannot be added from the mobile app. Open a web browser and log into Gmail. This is the Create Filters wizard. Click Create Filter, and you have several options. It's very important that you know what you want to do with your messages before you select these options. Select as many options as you want, and then click Create Filter. Let's create a filter now. Search for a group of messages to filter. Once that's done, click Inbox in the left pane and select one message. Then select the three dots at the top right hand side of the screen and select filter messages like these. Make sure there's an email address in the From field. Click Create Filter. I'm going to skip it and archive it. I'm going to apply the filter to existing messages. And I'm also going to apply a label to it. Once the boxes are checked, click Create Filter. Go back to the inbox and you'll see that although that Codecademy message was unread, it disappeared. That's because it's been moved to the Codecademy folder. And as you can see, I have one unread message in that folder. The first option I selected will make it so the message is never delivered to the inbox, but instead placed in the selected folder. Placing a label on a message places it in that folder. Applying it to existing messages will move the existing messages in your inbox. If for some reason the filter doesn't work properly, you can edit it very easily. As you can see, I have a message from Apple in my inbox, but I've already created a filter moving all my Apple messages to the Apple folder, and it has moved the message to that folder. But it's also still in the inbox. So I need to edit this filter. To edit filters, click the gear icon. Left click Settings, and then choose Filters and Blocked Addresses from the top. Scroll down and find the Apple filter. Click Edit on the right-hand side. Click Continue. Select Skip the inbox and archive it. This will take the message out of the inbox and file it in the Apple folder, which is what I want. Then click Update Filter. Go back to the inbox, and you can see the message is still there. That's because it's an existing message. The change I made will apply to future messages only. I need to make one more change. Click the gear icon again and choose Settings. Then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Scroll down and find the Apple filter. Click Edit and Continue. Select the last option, which says Apply to Existing Messages. If you click on the inbox, the message is no longer there. When I create a filter, I always select Apply this filter to existing messages. That way I can always be sure it's going to work properly.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
If you have a problem with any part of this process, leave a comment below so I can help you. Don't forget to click that thumbs up if you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.